Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are doing something a little different and opening up a package that one of you guys sent me, and I am so extremely excited. Normally here on this channel, we talk about nail art, nail designs, nail tutorials. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you will definitely have fun here. Now, I will leave all of my other social medias here on the side, like my Instagram and my TikTok. But really, for the main subject of this video, we are going to be opening up this adorable package that one of my subscribers sent me, and I am so pumped to see what's inside. So we have this adorable box with the cutest little sticker. Let me see if I can get it to focus. It is adorable, and it says, "Attention. Attention, all you guys. Please record an unboxing video. No video, no after sale service." So, Sanita, I am so extremely excited to see what could potentially be in the box. I was shaking it, and I'm like, what could it be? What could it be? I'm pumped. I'm pumped. It almost feels like Christmas, and Christmas is T-minus many months away. So this is a little gift, and we are about to see what is up. Now, I obviously don't have like a P.O. box for you guys to send anything to me because I just haven't gotten that set up. Now, I've only been on YouTube for the last couple of years consistently, and so setting up a P.O. box wasn't necessarily something that I thought that I would need to do. But if you guys are interested in sending me gifts, or if you guys just want to support the channel, you guys can actually subscribe to my memberships. I believe I only have it set to, I think, like $1.99. And you guys can also donate on my shorts videos as well. So if you guys enjoy the content that we post here on the channel and you want to support and you want to see more content, just let me know. Let me know. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, right? Like, leave a donation. Like, it feels weird even just like for me, like asking for a donation, but these videos take a lot of time, they take a lot of work, and I love getting in front of the camera with you guys. But the balance, right? It's the balance. And eventually I would love to do YouTube full time. Like, that has always been one of my dreams. And even just the support that I have from like all of my subscribers and all the views you guys are helping me with, like, I already feel like I've made it as a YouTuber, and I don't have the million subscribers, but even just coming on to YouTube and making content for you guys and the engagement and just the community we've built here, like, I am so happy. Our lovely little box, we have this little sharp like pen looking thing that my dad gave me, and I think it's absolutely perfect to go ahead and get this unboxing started. Here, let me do this on camera and do this with you guys. So we are just gonna carefully it's like, what could it be? We're just gonna carefully open up the box. Okay. Oh, you guys, I'm pumped. I'm so excited. Like, I have no guesses. I have no guesses of what it could be. Okay. I have no idea what could be. And for the moment we've all been waiting for, we are going to open up. Oh my gosh. And Sunita, I'm not going to lie. Like, this packaging is so cute. It's so cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. So we have this little car scent. Oh, it's so cute, so anime, so precious. I absolutely love it. And then it looks like we have, I don't know what brand this is. Cat and dogs. Stop. I love cat and dogs. so right up my alley. Of course, I know you guys are very familiar with like Labubus and stuff like that, and like how you can collect all the different models. And then it looks like we have another cat and dogs. So I will show on the back all of the little cuties that we could get. Honestly, they're all so adorable. I'm happy with any one of them. You can't forget. So along with our little like Carson, we have these come on, focus. These absolutely adorable stickers, you guys. Oh my I love it. Okay, so I took a little bit closer look. I have two boxes, and like I said, I would be happy with any one of them. But if you guys don't already know, I have a black cat. Okay, I have a black cat, and this one is giving like the ears and like the moo moo, and this is so exciting. I remember like a couple months ago, my friend Monique, she actually gave me a Labubu to open. And the way that I opened it on the TikTok video was so cringe. Like, I'm like, I've never done an unboxing video, but today we get to do. Okay. So, of course, what I didn't realize that you had on the first one, we have our little. Okay, well, we had our little tab. And let's open up our first one. Oh, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm opening this like crap again. Okay. Okay, you guys stop. I'm like so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's kind of big. They're kind of big. In the box, I don't know if this is like a little hint of what we're gonna get inside, but we will see what is going on. Long nails versus dogs and cats. So let's see what's up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see. Okay. I can already tell you it's really soft. What? Oh, he's upside down. He's upside down. Look at the little face. Stop. Look at the little face and the little chain. Oh my goodness. So cute. Let's remove the cellophane. This is so adorable, Sunita. I absolutely love. And of course, it comes with a little chain. Looking at this little cutie patootie, I can see on that chain here that it actually says baby 3. So maybe that's gonna be the brand. But so cute, you guys. I am absolutely in love. Like, I've heard some like weird things about like Labubu, so like I'm glad this isn't a Labubu, but it's I am so absolutely in love with this little guy. Will I put him on my purse? Probably. Will I catch a little video of me putting him on my purse? I will. I know we have a second little baby 3, but unfortunately I actually need to run out of here and get ready for work. So what I was thinking is I will do a little short, a YouTube and TikTok short of opening up the second one. But I am just gonna say one more time, thank you so much, Sunita, for this adorable little gift. The fact that you even thought about me, the fact that you wrapped it up so cute and you wanted me to do an unboxing video. It's literally the most precious gift that I've received. And I'm so touched. And I love you so much. Thank you so much for your kindness. And I am so excited to see which one we get. Long nails versus. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me and hanging out with me as we did our very first unboxing video. Never have I ever thought that I would do an unboxing video on my channel. But what's amazing about YouTube is that I get to come on here and just have fun with you guys. So if you had fun watching this video, if you yourself have a baby 3, let me know down in the comments. I am so excited, you guys. I just appreciate all of the love and the support. You guys have really been showing up for me on YouTube, on TikTok, as well as on Instagram. You guys are making pit stops. You guys are engaging with the content and you guys are having fun. And that's really all that I can ask for. And I'm just so unbelievably, I'm unbelievably excited. And I obviously need to wrap this video up because I need to get ready to go to work. But thank you for your love, your kindness, your support. I will be back with our regularly scheduled program, which are going to be nail tutorials. Thank you for hanging out, watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, share this video to somebody who might be interested in unboxing videos as well as the nail art. And without further ado, I will see you guys for another video soon. Bye.
Subscribe. Oh, I wanted you. Oh, I wanted you. Subscribe. Oh, I wanted you. You got me in my feet.